Hi guys, I am Engineer Hassan Adil. The topic of this video is how to modify the activity ID of all the activities of the project in one step. For example, in this my project, I have the activities A1000, A1010, A1020 like that. I want to add a text in all the activities all the activities of my project. For this, I will go to the option Tools, Global Change. Here I will add a new global change, modify activity ID. We'll go to this parameter, then here add activity ID is equal to custom. For example, I want to add a eng in my all the activities and activity ID. I want to replace eng before all the activity IDs. Now I will apply the change. Now it is showing me the before the activity ID was A1000. Now the new ID is eng A1000. Before it was A1010. Now the new activity ID is eng A1010. I will commit the changes, close. Now you have seen that the activity ID of all the activities in my project are changed in one step. If your activities are in thousand number, it is a laborious work to change the activity ID one by one in all the activities of your project. You can do this by the global change. This is the way how to modify the activity ID of all your activities in one step. Thank you for watching this video.